Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are good and enjoying. So today I am back with another craft related video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified. So let's start. So in this video, we are basically using fabric glass paint. You can also buy these colors through the link given in the description. I had bought 2 packs, one has 6 shades and another has 10 shades. Here I am not opening the boxes of colors because the video is going so long. So let's move on to our bottle directly. And one more thing, if you want to look the shades, you can comment me down. I will post it in the next video. So let's move on. Here I have made the design with the marker. You can make any type of design. So first we have to take the outliner and cover all the outlines with it. So you see this process. Now our outline is completely ready. So let it dry for 3 to 4 hours. Now our outlines are completely dried. So let's fill the bottle with the colors. So here I am using the combination of pink and sea blue color. We will fill the colors in one box so that we have a good outcome over the pattern. Now we will fill the alternate boxes with crystal green and golden yellow colors. Now we will let the color dry and do the other side and color the whole bottle. Now our bottle is ready and it's pretty much good. So now we will add a nylon rope to the bottle. To attach it, I am using hot glue. You can use any type of adhesive. You have to put the glue in the middle of the bottle to attach the rope perfectly. Now our bottle is ready. Let's use it for decoration. If you like this bottle and you make it, you can also share it with me on my Instagram account. Now we will decorate our second bottle. In this bottle, we are making design of simple triangles. You can also draw circles. So let's make the design directly without any measures. So now our outlines are ready, so let them dry. The outlines are completely dried, so let's color it up. This bottle is round shaped, so we will hold it with the help of two rubbers. You can use any type of holder to hold the bottle. Here I am using colors orange, ultramarine blue, golden yellow, crystal green and sea blue for a perfect combination. After holding the bottle with the help of rubber, we will color 2 or 3 lines at a time, so the color will not spill up. So let us start coloring the bottle. Let us wait our bottle to dry. Then we will color the other lines. Now the color is dried up. So let's do this process of coloring to the whole bottle. I am continuing this shade in the whole bottle. You can color it with your choices of colors. Now our whole bottle is colored. So let's attach a jute rope on the top of it to give it a clean look. To attach jute rope, I am using the hot glue. You can use any type of adhesive to attach the jute rope on the top of the bottle. Now our bottle is ready, so let's make the third after the small clip. If you are liking the video, you can also comment down and like the video. And if you make this bottle, you can also share it with me on my Instagram account. The link is in the description. Here I am using a square shaped bottle. In this bottle there are some random designs popped up. So I am trying to copy that design with the silver and yellow outliner. And there is one gap. So let's start with non-designed area and continue the design there. Then to the whole bottle. Now our outliner are dried up completely. The golden and silver effect is looking awesome there. So let's start coloring up the bottle. Here I am making the bottle multicolored so that it will give a great effect and look to the room. While coloring, the bubbles were formed. You can pop the bubble with the help of toothpick or a pin. Now our color are dried up and the bottle is looking so much awesome. So let's attach a lace on the top of it to give the bottle a great and clean look. Here I am folding the lace half and pasting it at the end to give the top a clean look. Now this bottle is ready. So let's use them to decorate our rooms. To see such more videos, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.